Hi, you are very happy. You are happy not because everything is good with you, but because you can see the good side of everything. If that attitude is there, then you will be always happy. One more interesting thing is if you are bored and stressed, don't worry. Take a break from your routine. Enjoy the beauty of nature around you. The beauty of nature will vanish all your stress and strain. Have a great day. Watch this video, like this video, subscribe to this channel to watch many more videos like these of great personalities. Share this video with your friends to subscribe to this channel. Have a good day.